China's Forestry department has released some spectacular footage of a wild Siberian tiger feeding on an ox, which is the first time such an event has ever been filmed in the country with the use of automated camera traps. More importantly, this adds to the growing evidence that their numbers are on the rise. Back in 2000, there were only estimated to be around 12 to 16, but now there are upwards of 22. As you can see though, the effects of conservation don't happen overnight, and it must be noted, some do have mixed feelings about their return. Namely the locals, who justifiably must live side by side and will likely lose a lot of livestock every year. But proper management is key, and solutions can always be found, such as government compensation programs that pay for the losses incurred by any wild animal attacks. So although the situation is of course much more complicated than that, under state protection with the support of the locals, tigers really can flourish. Once again, thanks for tuning in, and giddy up.